Thank you, Wanji Sostin, for that report. Now, still on that bit, Kenyan and Ugandan health authorities have beefed up Mpox surveillance at their common border points as the number of infections in the region increases. Truck drivers are now forced to wait for longer hours in the Kenyan county of Busia just to be cleared. Drivers who had only planned for normal crossings say they have been hit hard by the measures that have been put in place to control Mpox in the border. As Joel Kingori, a season-long distance truck driver, says everything has changed since the first few cases of Mpox were reported in Kenya.
You discover that because of the border, some of the contacts are actually across the border on the other side in Uganda and not just in Busia. And in fact, among the 4 scares that we've had, including the one that turned out positive, 2 of them were actually manual workers who had crossed in from Uganda, and they are doing some manual work in Kenya here in one of the villages across. And so when we reached out to them, our surveillance teams reached out to them, samples were taken. Unfortunately, before they could even be put somewhere, some of them had already disappeared and crossed back to Uganda.
Now, a section of